Students, whatever homework is given to you, you have to submit it on the very next day between 8 am to 1 pm to the given WhatsApp number, and it is compulsory to submit your homework as your attendance will be marked on the basis of your submission.
Exercise D omitted. What is a suffix? A suffix is a letter or group of letters, example, ship, hood, which is added to the end of a word in order to form a different word. Example, the suffix hood is added to child to form childhood. Exercise E. Using the suffixes given in the box, form abstract nouns. You may use a suffix more than once. Means some suffixes are given below, and with that an abstract noun is formed. So you may use more than once. First, child, childhood. Second, friend, friendship. Children, you have 10 minutes to solve rest of the questions. So children, let's continue. Third, woman, womanhood. Fourth, captain, captainship. Fifth, kind, kindness. Sixth, leader, leadership. 7. Heal, health. 8th, king, kingdom. 9th, free, freedom. 10th, brave, bravery. 11, slave, slavery. 12th, dark, darkness. 13, real, reality. 14, equal, equality. What are collective nouns? A collective noun is the name given to a group of people, animals and things. Example, a bouquet of flowers, a fleet of ships, etc. Exercise F. Complete these sentences with appropriate collective nouns from the box. Plague, battery, colony, congregation, parliament, bunch, army, school, bouquet, murder, company, band, bench, brood, clump, flight. First one. Each of the guests was greeted with a dash of flowers. Answer is bouquet of flowers. Second. The hunter was attacked on the foot by an dash of ants and he missed his target. The answer is army of ants. Third, a dash of crows hovered over the hut all evening. The answer is a murder of crows. Fourth, the fox could not resist the temptation of having the dash of grapes. The answer is bunch of grapes. Fifth, a dash of actors from Bollywood had gathered at the film festival this year. The answer is a company of actors. Sixth, a dash of musicians were seen playing hymns by the roadside. The answer is a band of musicians. Seventh, Tom was very eager to let the dash of hens out from the coop. The answer is brood of hens. The High Court has called for a special dash of judges to pass the verdict. The answer is bench of judges. Ninth, the investigation team discovered a dash of guns from the deserted apartment. The answer is battery of guns. 10th, the entire harvest this season was destroyed by a dash of locust. The answer is plague of locusts. 11th, the haunted building was visited by a dash of owls every night. The answer is Parliament of Owls. 12th, he had to climb up a dash of stairs to meet the manager. The answer is a flight of stairs. 13th. A dash of worshippers had assembled for the morning prayers. The answer is congregation of worshippers. 14th. Harry was only little aware that he was amidst a dash of bats. The answer is a colony of bats. 15th. The train made a lot of noise as it went past a dash of Ashoka trees. The answer is a clump of Ashoka trees. 16th. We saw a dash of dolphins jumping in the sea. The answer is a school of dolphins.